How to make a rain pop game in Scratch. Sup guys, I am LT and welcome to this video tutorial series. In this video tutorial series, I will be teaching you how to make the rain pop game in Scratch. In this game, players have to click on as many raindrops as they can as they fall from the sky under a 30-second time limit. In this tutorial series, I'll be teaching you how to create the vector art for this project and code all of the sprites by using loops, cloud variables, cloning, and so much more. This is a perfect video series if you have created a couple projects on Scratch and you're looking for something a little advanced, something that includes a timer, a scoreboard, and a high score, and just so much fun, because in this game tutorial series you get to create your own vector art as well. So if you like being creative, original, and you want to make something that is super fun to play, well, you're in the right place. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and tell me in the comments below what you're looking forward to the most. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys.
Hooray!